बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली व बारिक अला रसूलिहिल करीम व खातमुन नबिय्यीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Welcome to Working and Earning Tech channel. In this video we will learn one front load washing machine that work well, but the drain pipe that drain the water from machine that doesn't work. We will show you how to replace and how to clean the pipe. In this video we purchase one new motor. Let's see. First of all, here we can see here water is coming, but not good quantity. See, water is not getting out of pipe with pressure. Here is downside one pump, small pump. And that work but not very well. We need to replace that one. Now directly we unscrew all the screws and we will remove the motor and clean the pipes, and if the motor is good we will fix this again. Otherwise new. Rotation okay. Now we will clean the pipe. We can use any acid, normal acid. Before replacing new pump, be sure the pipe should be clean and install new pump. And grip the rubber properly. Now we fix the pump inside that pump, same there. How we open that one, same way we fix. And now see the pressure. Please like and subscribe the channel to see the videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon, like and share to be updated with new videos. Take care of yourself.